Big bass shit cracking. Crack. Turn the speakers up max, cause you know this shit slap. Big blunt shit.
If anyone wants to steal my heart, you know where to find me. What it do? It's your boy, Man Express, coming in with another video. And today we got another unboxing. And this one's straight out of StockX. Y'all know your boy's I've been gifting myself a couple things. You know, I deserve to splurge on myself a little bit here and there. So this unboxing straight out of StockX. When y'all see the shoe, I'll give you the story on why I got these. But it was bro, I don't know. You'll see. Yeah, we'll see. Look at this professional unboxing right there. Yeah, see the box. ZZ350 Boost. And now when y'all see the shoe, I'll have to explain myself before I justify my purchase. Before I justify it. It is the frozen yellow Yeezy 350 Boost. Let me tell you, for some weird reason, I love this shoe. The colorway, whatever. It has grown on me like crazy. When they came out, they restocked. I was like, should I cop them? Let me not. No. Then I kept seeing them everywhere. I was like, damn, you know, they're not that bad. They're pretty good. So I said, let me see what StockX got. They probably ain't going for a lot because they're restocking and everything. So I said, let me go on StockX, bada bing, bada boom. Next thing you know, they're right here. So it's the Yeezy 350 Boost Frozen Yellow with the gum bottom. I hope you guys enjoyed the vid. Hit that like button, subscribe. Go watch the other vids I put out. Stay tuned for the new ones. If y'all trying to talk to me, hit up the comments. Y'all know where to find me. Other than that, Manny Fresh, ow!